Hey everyone, it's Miss Canales, and today I'm going to show you how to get to your library online resources, which takes you to databases, so you can start using that for research for projects or papers or any homework assignments that your teachers are giving you. So to get there, the easiest way is to go to the Hillcrest website, and you're going to click here on the library tab. Okay, shameless plug-in, this is the library website. You should bookmark this page to always have because it has all the information here for you how to check out books, how to get ebooks, and how to get to the library online resources. And those will be here on the left side. It also has direct links to the Hillcrest Library YouTube and the ISD Library YouTubes with tutorials and all the things that you need to get your research going. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click here on the left where it says Library Online Resources, and it takes you to the DISD Library Media Services page. Right here in this first paragraph, it shows you your login, your username, and your password. So it's very easy. Your ID is going to be the username, and your password is going to be the last four numbers of your ID. And that is going to be for every single one of the databases that are on here. So let's take a quick look at what is available. If you scroll down, each one of these is a different resource. Some of them are very specific, like this one here is nothing but clip art that is royalty free and license free. So it's a clip art for you to put into your papers without worrying about violating any copyright rules. And there's just a bunch of them. So what I'm going to do is make separate videos and post it on the library YouTube page, going into more detail about the ones that are for you to be doing research. So please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is under my name. It's a brand new channel, and so it doesn't have much yet, but we're going to be adding to it. And it's going to have all your tips and tricks and tutorials on how to research. So go ahead and subscribe to that when you can, and let's start researching.